Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a smallest little 2-port Ethernet hub. So basically it's the splitter for Ethernet. So you can plug in one side. So that'll be the in. So you can do it's in a gigabit one, and then you have it out to 2. So, I mean, pretty cool. So, and it's gonna power itself through USB. So for right here, for our purposes right now, I will be plugging this in. It's USB-C here. So I plug this into this. I have just a huge battery pack here that I'm going to plug it into to just do it. And you can see we have some lights that lit up. We're going to plug it into our hub over here. And I'll just show you guys what we're talking about here. We've got a bit of a mess going on right now, but it'll hopefully be clean soon with the use of this. So let's see, so we can plug this in, and I'll plug it into my hub. And look at that, we have flashing. So we are doing it there. And so now we've gone from here, and now we have 2 ports. So the goal is to put this on, not in here, because this is our main hub. We have another area over there where we only have a single port. We have one of these things here, one of these little arrows that only puts out the port. We needed an extra port. So now we have 2 more ports. So we can get gigabit here, and it says, you know, gigabit in by 1x2 splitter. So we'll have 2 more gigabit ports, so we can have a nice fast little network. How cool is that? Nice little device, and it seems like it's going to work fine for us, so we are good. Thumbs up.